Hey y'all, it's your girl Leek back with an unboxing. So I'm not sure if you know, but your girl has been trying to get her, body together. About time. And using my metas as I work out is not because it's not over my ear, it's behind my ear. It's not. I like to be immersed into the sound so I can, one, I don't like to work out. Two, it's like a motivation for me. I got to hear my songs. I got to be able to get into the beat, get into it. In order to do so, I decided to. Now, don't get me wrong. I do have my AirPods and the same AirPods that I'll link above. It's been that long. They work. They do. Do they stay in my ear now? No. And I've had Beats as well. I've had, well, the one that's on your ear, the old Beats, but I lost one and I don't know where it's at and I don't want to replace them. So good old Amazon delivery. Oh, it's so sticky. I hate that. We are unboxing that's right, my Beat Studio Pros. And I got them in navy because it has that baby, the blues I like. So navy was and is my favorite color. It's the first favorite color that I fell in love with. I guess because I'm a Virgo. Sapphire blue, this is a baby blue, which is like for March stone. I forgot the name of March stone, but that's my husband's birthstone. So those two colors, they go together like, me and my husband, you know what I'm saying? So, and he just got me this past Christmas. Love him to death. He got me the phone that we're recording on now, which he got the navy with the Apple navy case, okay? And that was an iPhone 17 Pro Max. But I also got my favorite purse that I've been wanting, and that is the Empire 40 in navy. Favorite color, you know what I'm saying? Getting back to the basics. So, yeah, had to go along and continue the navy, of course. But back to this unboxing, y'all. I'm hopeful. My son just got these, and he says that he loves them. So I'm hoping these will help when I'm sweating and staying, since they cover my full ear, I'll be fully immersed. And back to this. Ah, yeah, love that. So, oh, that's kind of cool. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's the actual design. Might be too bright. We'll see. Hopefully y'all can. Oh, there you go. You can see it like that. I think that's really cool. Caring about the packaging. Oh, I should probably do this. Should have guided this so you guys could see it. All right, it comes with a carrying case. Gotta love that, so it'll fit in my purse. Yes, indeed. And comes with a little pamphlet, of course. Let's see what's in the bag, shall we? Unzips. And let's open her up. Get these out. Okay. Oh, it's a pretty color blue too. Look at that. Look at that blue, y'all. Look at that. Let me go put them on right quick. I'm not gonna give myself a headache, but this is good. It covers my ear completely. You probably can tell on this side. It covers my ear completely. That's gonna be good for when I'm doing my workouts, my squats and stuff, getting this body together. I love that. Yes, and the cushion doesn't feel heavy. The cushion is very soft. Oh, these are all buttons. I can't wait to learn. This is my first Beats headset. That's over the, headset, not an earpiece. And it comes with cords. So it comes with, what is this? Oh, comes with your regular adapter cord. I guess if you still have that. I have one on my MacBook that plug in. from back in the day. That's all we used to have. Excuse Chewy in the back. I see he's having a fit. He does that sometimes. Terrible twos. So they do have fits, just like babies. Oh my goodness. You better not be turning up that bed. You bet not. You bet not. Don't you tear up that bed. Y'all don't understand how many beds I've been through, okay? And these are like not cheap. They cost between $40 at the cheapest. And the last one I just bought, we're not even gonna go there. We're not destroying no bed, sir. Not at all. He listens. It's only when I'm not on him and I'm not, you know, doing other stuff and he tries to get away with stuff. Anywho, back to this unboxing, sorry. Dog mom. Here's the cable cord to charge, USB-C, and going back to play with his pig. And that's pretty much that's all. And they have like little pockets on the inside. Look at the case. Let's get into the case itself. This case is nice. But it's not a hard shell case. It's not. I know a lot of people was like, oh, why did it switch? It's not like a flimsy case. This is pretty sturdy. So I like that. And it has pockets on the inside for your cords. So, because of course, you know, you're going to unravel it to charge or to use. And you're going to want to just not throw it up in there. So, you can ravel it back and have a place to store it, which is great. But I'm going to go ahead. Let's get another look at these bad boys. I do like this, though. Like, I don't know if you noticed. My son noticed it. I like how it just gets in there. I don't know what that is. Magnet? I don't know. But to me, the connection is pretty. I like that. I like that. I don't know why. But I also love the color. Look at that blue. And it does tell you on each side which one is the right, which one is left. I guess I should have checked it. I had it right. So, it's okay. But anywho, thank y'all for watching this unboxing. Until next time, bye.